In this video, I will be showing you how to create poster mockups in Canva using a clever secret trick. Let's get started. First, I'll head to the Canva homepage and select the poster category. Instead of using a pre-made design, I'm going to click Create Blank to open a new project. Once the editor loads, I'll move over to the Elements tab and search for Poster Mockup. I'll click on the Mockups category to find frames that I can drop images into. I'll start by selecting this street sign mockup and resizing it to fit the canvas. To give us more options, I'll add a few more pages and choose different styles, like this hanging poster frame and several types of roll-up banners. I'm just clicking them and dragging the corners to make sure they fill the space nicely. Now for the fun part, adding the designs. I'll go back to the Elements search, type in poster, and switch to the Photos tab. I'll also use the filter settings to show only vertical orientations. When I find a design I like, such as this vintage Three Friends poster, I simply drag it over the mockup until it snaps into place. It's that easy. I can even swap it out for a different one, like this movie poster, to see which looks better. I'll continue this process for the rest of my pages. I'm searching for sale poster to find a high-impact design for the roll-up banner. Then, I'll look for a new arrival poster for the next frame. I can even use regular photos, like this store window, to create a realistic environment. For the hanging mock-up, I'll search for food poster and drop in this burger advertisement. To finish things off, I'll search for a menu poster and add a chalkboard menu to my first street sign. Using these mock-up frames is the fastest way to see your designs in a real-world setting without any complicated tools. Happy designing!